Does the world need another table saw sled video? Well, too bad. Let's see if I can make a table saw sled out of these scrap plywood pieces I have. I measure the slots with calipers and transfer the dimensions to the fence. After some fiddling, I got some cuts from the 1/4-inch plywood that fit well into the slots. I add some nuts to the slots to raise the runners for gluing. While I'm doing that, remember to subscribe so you can get more unnecessary videos from me. After the glue dried, I add some screws for reinforcement and cut off the excess. For the back rail, I used a piece of 2x4, cutting off the rounded edges. I laminate 2 pieces of plywood for the fence and square up the ends. I attach the back rail and make a partial cut. I add a piece of 90-degree angle aluminum to hold the fence straight. I cut off the excess aluminum. I attach the fence, realize I had it backwards, and I attach it again. After attaching one side, I line the fence up with the kerf with a square, clamp it, and attach the other side. I test it using the 5-cut method. I'll link to some videos that explain it better than I could. I think that's close enough for me. I will add some more screws to the fence and a block as a blade guard for some additional safety. For more unneeded projects, visit my website. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you didn't enjoy this video, please share it with someone who thinks a table saw sled is something you use in the snow.